Hello, everyone! It's great to see you again. Imagine waking up every day feeling energized, strong, and ready to take on any challenge, without worrying about muscle loss as you age. Today, we're diving into a topic that could truly change your life. We're revealing the ultimate secret to fighting sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, 7 powerful superfoods that can help you preserve muscle, regain strength, and restore vitality. If you've ever wondered why your muscles don't feel as strong as they used to, or if you're looking for natural ways to boost strength and energy, you'll definitely want to stick around. These foods may completely change the way you think about muscle health. Before we begin, please take a moment, if you haven't already, to like this video and subscribe to our channel. This small action helps you stay updated with our latest health tips and shows your commitment to taking care of your body. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to continue delivering high-quality wellness content. In today's video, we'll count down from number 7 all the way to our champion, number 1, breaking down each food and explaining why it matters. Whether you're just starting your healthy eating journey or looking to fine-tune your diet, you're in the right place. Let's begin your journey towards stronger, healthier muscles, starting now. Flex Biceps Muscle Boosting Foods Ranking, number 7 to 5. Number 7, quinoa. Quinoa is an extraordinary grain that has been celebrated for centuries for its exceptional nutritional value. Despite its small size, it's packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, proof that great things really do come in small packages. What makes quinoa stand out is that it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. This allows it to efficiently support muscle repair and growth. Its high fiber content also helps you feel full longer, making it an excellent option for those who want to build muscle while maintaining a healthy weight. With its subtle nutty flavor and versatile texture, quinoa fits seamlessly into a variety of dishes. Add it to salads, soups, use it as a hearty side dish, or even replace rice in your favorite meals. Including quinoa in your daily diet ensures your muscles get the nutrients they need to stay strong and resilient. Number 6, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a delicious and powerful ally for muscle health. By straining out the whey found in regular yogurt, Greek yogurt becomes thicker and significantly higher in protein. It's an excellent source of protein, making it ideal for muscle repair and growth, whether enjoyed after a workout or as part of your everyday diet. It's also rich in calcium, which is essential for strong bones and optimal muscle function. In addition, Greek yogurt contains beneficial probiotics that support digestion and help your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Enjoy it plain, blended with fruit, or drizzled with a bit of honey. It's a tasty, convenient way to keep your muscles energized and healthy throughout the day. Number 5, salmon. Salmon isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse that supports muscle health from multiple angles. It's one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, known for reducing inflammation and speeding up muscle recovery after exercise. By lowering inflammation, your muscles can recover faster, helping you maintain strength and endurance over the long term. Salmon is also rich in high-quality protein, providing the essential building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Additionally, it supplies vital nutrients such as vitamins B12 and D, along with selenium, key elements for maintaining an energetic, vibrant body. Whether baked, grilled, or steamed, adding salmon to your meals is a flavorful and effective way to support muscle health and overall well-being. Top Arrow Muscle Boosting Foods Ranking, number 4 to 1. Number 4, eggs. Eggs are incredibly versatile and nutrient-dense, making them a powerful contributor to muscle health. They're one of nature's best sources of high-quality protein, essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle after physical activity. Each egg delivers a complete profile of amino acids, the fundamental building blocks of muscle tissue. Eggs also contain essential vitamins such as vitamin D, which supports bone strength, and vitamin B12, crucial for energy production. Minerals like selenium and choline further enhance overall health. Whether boiled, scrambled, poached, or made into an omelet, adding eggs to your meals is a smart and delicious way to fuel muscle strength, recovery, and flexibility any time of day. Number 3, spinach. Spinach is far more than just a leafy green, it's a nutritional powerhouse with remarkable benefits for your muscles. This vibrant vegetable is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like magnesium and iron, all of which support muscle function and physical performance. Spinach is also loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, helping protect muscle cells from damage and promoting faster recovery after exercise. Its fiber content aids digestion and improves nutrient absorption. Toss spinach into salads, blend it into smoothies, or lightly sauté it as a side dish. Making this nutrient-rich green a daily habit provides vital support to keep your muscles strong, resilient, and performing at their best. Number 2, almonds. Almonds are more than just a tasty snack, they're a nutritional treasure for muscle health. These small nuts are packed with protein to help repair muscle fibers after workouts and provide healthy fats essential for overall performance. They're also high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscles from oxidative damage. Their rich magnesium content supports muscle contraction and relaxation, enhancing overall muscle function. Enjoy a handful of almonds as a snack or incorporate them into meals for a steady energy boost, reduced muscle inflammation, and faster recovery after physical activity. With almonds, you're fueling your muscles while enjoying a satisfying and nutritious treat. Number 1, chicken breast. Taking the top spot is chicken breast, the undisputed champion of muscle-building nutrition. This lean meat is highly valued for its exceptional protein content, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Low in fat and rich in complete protein, chicken breast is perfect for anyone pursuing fitness goals while maintaining a balanced diet. It provides all the essential amino acids your body needs, especially after intense workouts. Chicken breast is also incredibly versatile, grilled, baked, or stir-fried. It fits effortlessly into countless recipes. It supplies vital B vitamins that help convert food into energy and keep your metabolism running efficiently. Regularly including chicken breast in your meals ensures your muscles receive the nutrients they need to stay strong, recover quickly, and perform at their peak. Thank you and final thoughts. Thank you sincerely for spending your time with us and exploring these valuable insights. We hope this video has inspired and empowered you to take meaningful steps toward building stronger, healthier muscles. Remember, consistency is key. Small changes in your daily diet and lifestyle can lead to remarkable transformations over time. If this video inspired you or gave you new ideas for positive change, please like it, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more clear, impactful health tips. Your support helps us continue creating content that empowers healthier living. Stay committed to your health journey, keep moving forward, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Embrace your path to strength and vitality.